Okay, final question for today. Variable acceleration. So the question is giving us a bit of a clue here, asking us whether the acceleration is constant or not. That should be enough to make us think twice about using the Suvat equations and instead use differentiation. So the velocity is ds dt, so we need to differentiate that expression for displacement, and then acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. So when we do that, the velocity is minus 3t squared plus 12, acceleration is minus 6t, and therefore because it varies with t, the acceleration is not constant. So we've answered the first part of the question, and the second part we just need to sketch a velocity time graph for the particle now. When we factorize our expression for velocity, we get this here, which tells us that this is an inverted parabola and passes through the x-axis at 2 and minus 2, and the t-axis I should say, at 2 and minus 2, and when t is 0, the velocity is 12. So we've got something that looks like this. I'm only drawing the right hand part of the curve because we don't actually have negative time. If you've got a graphical calculator, of course, you'd be able to draw this with the graphical calculator, but you'd still need to remember to draw only t greater than 0 values. And here's one I prepared earlier, and that gives you a rather tidier version. So how did you get on with that question? Did you answer it the same way as me? Did you fall into the Suvat trap? Hopefully you did well, and that's it for this week, for today, for this week, for today. Okay.